Hey, pay some attention. Today I made some homemade chips and some salsa. I used yellow corn tortillas for the chips and just put some vinegar and cayenne pepper on it. First bite, vinegar, sea salt, or salt and vinegar, sea salt I think it's called. Salsa, tomato, green onion, jalapeno pepper, and serrano pepper. Real good. I'm tripping. This is white corn tortillas, not yellow corn. I be liking my chips when I make them homemade though. A little soft. I don't like them all the way crunchy. But I kind of prefer using ranch seasoning on them because it has more flavor to it. Do y'all prefer y'all salsa chunky or more liquidy? Me, they gotta be chunky. Even on tacos a lot of times, but it depends on the type of salsa it is. Mm. Last one.